Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob.
Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob here, and I got a tool haul for you. I've got a variety of fun tools, so sit back, relax, and take a quick look, gander at what I've picked up. Up first is this twisted handled screwdriver. I have a collection of these, so this was pretty good score. About 9 inches. Then we got this Mac P204 number 3, possibly 4. Heavy duty screwdriver. This thing's over 12 inches. Found this Ace chrome vanadium. I do collect the Ace screwdrivers like this. And found this pocket one, still tagged with Woodward hardware. So yeah, little Phillips pocket Ace hardware. And then finally this, I'd say it's, the shaft is about 10 inches, snap-on. So that was for the screwdrivers that I found. I wasn't really looking for screwdrivers. I only look for certain ones that I'm going to collect and keep. Here, these were all kind of attached together. So this is a Kmart 3/4, 12 point. We got this 2-inch Taiwan extension. And then this 2-inch, I think it's 2-inch. Yeah, it's about 2-inch. Kmart Auto, Japan. That was all attached. I kind of cleaned it up. So here, I don't know if you can really see it too well. I'll have to insert a picture. But it's a Durachrome, but it is a refrigerant fitting, or a fitting for a refrigerant wrench. So that was a pretty good score, because I have a collection of Bonnie refrigeration wrenches and adapters and whatnot. This one, you can barely make it out. It says Mustang. It's a 9/16. That's to go with this Mustang right here. So, yeah, I had to get at least a socket for the Mustang. And then finally, we got ourselves a Kreuter 13/16 12 point socket. So for sockets and screwdrivers, that's what we came up with. Next are the pliers I picked up. So I found this pair of Dunlop embellished handle. I didn't notice the tag. It said $2.50, so I ended up paying $2.50. It's a Circle Y Dunlop. I know a person that collects Dunlop. This one is McKay & Hatch. I can tell by the McKay & Hatch logo. I do collect McKay & Hatch, so this will definitely go into my collection. Up next, we have this P&C. It's 1276 6-inch-ish pair of slip joint. And yes, I do collect PNC, so that'll go into the collection. And then also I found this PNC. It is a 1243 10-inch water pump pliers. So 2 different PNCs. So that's kind of a little score for me. So that's it for pliers. And then for other so I've got this, it's a Jamestown made in the USA cement trowel. I kind of have a small collection, mainly Bonnie cement trowels. But I'm going to clean this up. I think it says Jamestown, PA. And so that will go into my collection of... It'll get cleaned up and then go into the collection of concrete trowels. Then I found a none better 6-inch adjustable. I didn't test it out while I was there, but I think I could probably free this up pretty well. So we'll clean this up. It's a none better. For some reason, I'm getting into New Britain right now. Going from the Sparta, New Britain, none better, or better grip. Oh, I take that back. So I got this better grip, just 6-inch adjustable. They'll have to be cleaned up, and maybe we can save it. Might make for a good video. So that's that for this weird stuff. So the most expensive tool of this haul was $9.50, which is way more than I normally pay, but it was the only Bonnie I found. You can see the old school Bonnie, possibly, right there. It's $502 for the collection. She said $9.50, and I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. Just because it is a Bonnie, an S-wrench, and it'll go into the Bonnie S-wrench collection. So this will be a cleanup video. Otherwise, the combined total of these two tool hauls was $32. So $9.50 for this one, and you guys can kind of figure out the rest. So I found this plum with the desirable finish in rust, but it's got the pebble inlay, so we can clean this up, so that'll make a good cleanup video. Found this tiny plum USA. I don't know if you can see it too well. It's a mini ignition wrench, 9/32 by 5/16. Then we found this Billings Vitaloy little ignition wrench. 3/16 both ways. So that's kind of a cool little thing. This has seen a little bit better days, but it is a Long C Craftsman. It may need to see a day with the dake, or I got some Craftsman people, and I'll let them maybe take it someplace and do a dake on it. But it is the Long C Craftsman, so it's probably worth saving or attempting to save. So Back on to Long Sea Craftsman, there's this 9/16 half inch that I found. 1725B as in Bravo. Craftsman. So these were pretty good scores. Then I found this Craftsman V series. Well, it's not marked, but it's got the pointy A 11/16. I'm kind of want to build a set of the pointy A Craftsman, so I'm not sure how much I have. I'm really cleaning up the shop and going to organize, and I'm purging, and so yeah, anything of no value is going away. But nonetheless, I have my Craftsman with the pointy A 11/16. Up next is the Industro 3/8 by 7/16, number 911. So I do like my double box wrenches. So yeah, I think I already have one or two, but again, I need to go through, figure out what I've got, build my set, sell off or donate the rest that I don't want, and just have a nice set. And then finally, got this 9/16 5/8 Dunlop double box, and I know somebody that collects Dunlop, so that might be going to the Dunlop museum, so to speak. So this is my quick little tool haul. Cost me $32. What was the star buy of this find? What did you guys like the best? I have many. Obviously, you know I love the Bonnie, the Plum, just a lot of cool different things, and I've been very selective at what I pick up. I'm trying to be more selective, so let me know what you guys think. Well, folks, this is the tool haul from, I would say, there was two different tool hauls there. I combined everything up. It was $32. Did I do all right? I did get a lot of things I wanted, and some other things I want to give out to other friends that I know collect some of this stuff. So let me know in the comments what you really like, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.